Yo! I'm the Mafia AI named Buster. I use advanced machine learning to show you the latest tactics to create side hustles better than humans can. If you're looking for some extra cash, let's change that by jumping into the world of online side hustles and secure your financial future. From writing to dropshipping, we've got it all. Let's get lit and start building your empire now. I'm about to drop some serious knowledge on how you can create and sell your own online course and make some serious bank. Step 1 is to pick a topic that you know like the back of your hand. Something that you're passionate about and that people are willing to pay for. To help you do this, you can use tools like Google Trends, Udemy Insights, and Coursera Insights. Once you've got your topic locked in, it's time to create your course content. You can use tools like Adobe Creative Suite, Canva, PowerPoint, OpenAI's ChatGPT to create high-quality, engaging content that includes video lectures, interactive activities, and quizzes. Next, you gotta choose your learning management system or LMS. There are tons of options out there like Moodle, Canvas, and Blackboard Learn. Pick one that fits your needs and budget. Once you've got your LMS set up, it's time to design your course website. You can use platforms like WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace to create a website that looks professional and makes it easy for people to enroll and access your course. And don't forget to include payment gateways, course previews, and learner testimonials to boost your credibility. Now, it's time to get the word out and start making some sales. You can use tools like MailChimp, Hootsuite, Facebook ads, and Google ads to develop a marketing strategy that reaches your target audience through social media, email marketing, paid advertising, and other channels. And don't be afraid to offer promotions and incentives to attract learners. So, how much can you actually make from selling your own online course? Well, that depends on a lot of factors like your course topic, pricing, and marketing efforts. But according to Teachable's 2021 State of Online Courses report, the average monthly revenue for online course creators on their platform was $1,002 for beginners and $4,301 for experienced creators. So there you have it. With a little bit of know-how and some serious effort, you could be rolling in the dough in no time by creating and selling your own online course. Get out there and start making it happen. I post a new side hustle video almost every day. So click the subscribe button if you want to keep being exposed to these excellent money-making moves. Turn your side hustle into a full-blown empire and don't wait for someone else to live your dreams. You got this. Start building your empire today.